And we're back to exploring Midjourney. There's a new update. It's currently version 6 in alpha mode, so it's not an official launch of version 6. Therefore not all functions are available using it. But one of the biggest additions are that it seems that Midjourney is finally tackling the issue of text. So far I have to say it's definitely a step in the right direction compared to version 5 and earlier versions, but it's not perfect though. The way to do it is to just put the text that you need in quotation marks and add that you need it as a text, and then you need to use version 6 obviously. Here we have hello world, and you can see it goes in the right direction. There are still issues here and there. It messes up words, letters, it repeats them for some reason. Here I've tried Midjourney with the same prompt, so instead of hello world, and here is a U missing, or it has written the J letter differently. Here's a book cover using the word Midjourney, and here again here's an R missing. And here I've simply used t-shirt design with the text Midjourney. Not a bad result if we compare to earlier versions, still not fully there. I hope that they fix it entirely when version 6 finally drops. And for some reason it also tries to add the text multiple times. So how can you do that? Number one is you can go to settings and set your version to 6. As I've said, it's in alpha mode right now. But if you keep the default version 5.2 currently, you'll just have to add the parameters -v and then 6. Let us prompt something, as an example, CD cover design with text YouTube and -v6, and I run it. And here it seems we get a very good result, and we actually do. So it was able to generate the text YouTube perfectly in each. You shouldn't expect that to happen all the time. It's more like a 25% success rate so far, at least from my experience. As mentioned earlier, it's currently in alpha, therefore not all functions are available using version 6. We can't, for example, right now use inpainting. So whenever there's an issue with your text, you can't just fix it in Midjourney directly using inpainting. You have to use Photoshop or just reprompt it and hope for the best in another image generation. And that's all about creating text currently in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.